Passage F150 diesel is at long last here. 2018 Powerstroke V6 conveys 440 lb-ft of torque. Portage added a diesel motor decision to its 2018 F150 Lineup 7 days before the Detroit car exhibition. The Powerstroke name will be connected to a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 diesel making 250 HP and 440 lb-ft torque, while restoring an asserted 30 miles per gallon on the thruway in Ford's top-of-the-line half-ton pickup truck. The 3-liter V6 is not as much as a large portion of the dislodging of the organization's enormous 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8, accessible in the F250 and F350 Super Duty pickups, yet at the same time guarantees up to 11,400 pounds of towing limit alongside 2,020 pounds of payload in the F150. Portage says it was intended for the requirements of North American purchasers. For each truck proprietor who needs solid efficiency while they tow and pull, we offer another 3.0-liter Powerstroke V6 motor, said Dave Filipe, VP Worldwide Powertrain Building. The more you tow and the more you pull, the more you acknowledge how proficient it is at the pump. The new Ford diesel gets a graphite press square, produced steel crankshaft, aluminum composite cylinders and a moment fuel channel for additional fuel framework security. Pinnacle control comes at 3,250 RPM, while crest torque comes path prior at 1,750 RPM. A variable geometry turbocharger expands responsiveness and lessens slack, says Ford. To keep its new diesel cool, Ford utilizes a standard mechanical motor fan alongside double radiator shades that open for enhanced high temperature, high height execution. In less demanding conditions, the F150 moderates the fan speed utilizing a thick coupler and shuts the screens when fundamental. We realize that diesels with electric cooling fans need to dial back on control under outrageous warmth and height, so we settled on a GUI controlled mechanical fan that has the ability to move significantly more air over the radiator and into cooler in extraordinary conditions, said David Ives, Ford Diesel Motor Specialized Pro. This gives F150 Powerstroke proprietors more power and all the more passing ability in brutal conditions. The new diesel F150, in dealerships this spring, utilizes the organization's new 10-speed program transmission and auto stop/begin comes standard. It's accessible in 4x4 and 4x2 arrangements in a determination of trim levels alongside both Super Crew and Super Cab bodies. Despite everything we are looking out for valuing, yet the 2018 F150 begins at about $28,000 and goes past $60,000 for the limited model. It's projected to anticipate that the diesel will include no less than a couple of $1,000s to the cost of a similarly prepared fuel F150 sticker cost.